The name on my birth certificate is Jewish. I was raised as a Catholic. As an American of actual Italian descent, I've lived all over the world. I have friends and lovers in my photo album of all ages, colors, religions, and nationalities. And I include them in my life because they, like I, believe in a certain civility, ultimately what I believe the gods intended. The higher power I love is not punitive, doesn't threaten me with damnation, does not ask me to be less than I can be, does not require subservience or violence to prove power and allegiance. The God I honor, who created us in his own image, is not racist or sexist, compassionate, not judgmental, and champions me to use the gifts he gave me to create, not destroy things. Somehow, sometimes, the purity of God's creation has been distorted by man's fears and insecurities, and leaving constraints that segregate and alienate us. My God protects the innocent, never using them to bribe, to blackmail, or to slaughter in the guise of enlightenment. Every act of terrorism has left me in tears, but the recent attacks in Paris took me back to September 11th. I was in New York on that morning. I remember how brilliant the sun was and how silent the city was, how shocked, hurt, and angry we were as a city and a nation, and how reserve rallied to stand and cry out that we would not cower. I lived in France for many years. I love the subtleties of the French language, especially where wit and satire are concerned. I'm heartened to see the French have rallied as quickly as we did to stand as a nation and let everyone know they will not be silenced now or ever. The civilized world stands with them. All who witnessed the murderous attacks by bullying cowards realize with some satisfaction that they have made us stronger, louder, more creative and determined, united as never before. For me personally, loving both my country and France, this moment is especially poignant. And I know we have a commonality that guarantees our strength and resilience, as it has for centuries, as rivals and allies. In France, liberté, égalité, fraternité. In America, life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Since France and America also have great music in common, I hear the voice of the legendary Edith Piaf. Non, rien de rien. Non, je ne regrette rien. And right behind her, the spectacular Kid Rock. Tell 'em if I don't survive, I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. In honor of those who have perished everywhere, these truths will help us triumph. I hold the words of Stéphane Charbonnier close to my heart. Je préfère mourir debout que vivre à genoux. I would rather die standing than live on my knees. They are not free. We are. Je suis Charlie, always.